delicious, spicy, mouth-watering. What the organic one, it brings out love. And the biryani ameye, a minced meat and mushroom sauce. Ebe Kenya or love. Let's go, baby. Okay, empty uncle. Me minced meat nini. Me garlic, you know. My grated garlic. My chopped onions are here. A little bit of salt. And then black pepper. I pick my egg. Let me just add my milk. Now I'll add a bit of flour here. It has to be full. And then you mix up. As you mix and you need more, you'll be adding. So watch, let's go. Okay, I'm still mixing it nicely. Some water to wash my hands. So you can mold it anyhow you want it. Okay, so in smaller bits. Oh yeah, now a tight one, so you can add some water so that it won't stick, right? Then I'm there to go. Okay, so I'm adding some oil. Yeah, the oil is really heated, so let me just okay, I just want to turn it and see. This is yummy. It's ready. Yummy. Now you can see everything is cooked. Because it's meat, it has to be well cooked, okay? It's so yummy. Now I'm adding my onions and my hunger beef tablet. Now I'm adding my soy sauce, a spoonful, right? I added corn flour, it's a bit tough, so I'll add a little bit of water here. Yeah, I think it's done now. So I'll pour it on it. Then I'll leave it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Wow! Indeed, this is going to be delicious, spicy, and mouth-watering. It's not a time for me to add my mushroom. I'm adding my fried beef. I'm going to cover this for it to cook for 5 minutes and food will be ready for serving. Wait, what do you do here? Wow, trust me, this is a recipe that will help you to find a true love this Val's Day. Cook this meal for all your loved ones and let me know how it goes. Have a romantic Val's Day.